guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks for supporting your girl. Now let's get into this not so passion twist video. Products that I use to achieve my passion twist are these. These are A+ picks. I got these at my local grocery. It was like about $12 for the pack. The realistic expression braiding hair. That will be in the color 1B, 84 inches. So I just insert that so you guys can see all up on the screen. I'm new to this, so ease me up, ease me up, right? So basically, any expression here that you choose, you can. I purchased 2 packs and I stretched it for myself, cut the hair in 2 because it's 84 inches long. Ain't nobody got time to twist hair all the way down to the ankles. Anyway, but I don't. There's some of you guys that love your braids extremely long, and there's nothing wrong with that. But into this hair, what I do is I evenly divide all of the hair. So from this would be 1/2 of the whole pack. I'll take this, I'll divide it into 2 equal parts, like such, like that, put that there. And I'm going to take this part and I'm going to divide that into 2 equal parts. And I'm going to be dividing it until I get 12 sections. And then each of those 12 sections will be divided into 3. So, and that would give me my 96 twists. Yeah? So I'll just continue dividing this section here all the way down until I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you guys choose, you could pre-section your hair so that when you're ready to place it on the skewer, it will be easy for you to do. So one piece will be divided into 3. So here I'm going to divide this into 3 equal pieces. Yeah, so here what we're going to do. If you want a detailed tutorial on how I pre-stretch my hair, you know what, let's not go through that. There are lots of videos on YouTube that shows you how to pre-stretch hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link some of the best ones that I learned as to how to pre-stretch hair. But I'm going to get in closer and show you guys exactly how I twist the hair. So guys, here I am with skewer and the hair in hand, placing the hair over the skewer and ensuring that the ends are even to begin wrapping. The motion that I'm using is a twist and wrap motion where I'm twisting the hair as I wrap it around the skewer. So as you could see, I'm twisting the hair and wrapping it around the skewer all the way down to the other side. Now that I'm on the other side of the skewer, I'm going to wrap the hair back onto itself. I'm going to continue in that same twist and wrap motion until I've finished twisting all of the hair. Just showing you once more how I wrap the expression braiding hair around the skewer in preparation for my version of a not so passion twist. So after twisting all 96 of my skewers, I then dip the hair in hot water, and that's a very simple task. I did not get footage of doing that, and I am so sorry, but it's very simple. I just took a bucket, I put some water, and I placed the skewers into it, and I left it for like about 20 seconds. I took them out, spread them on a towel, and allowed them to dry overnight. And that's it. That's all it is to it, guys. In my next video, which would be the part 2, would be me showing you guys how I install this not so passion twist in my hair. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. And don't forget, from my house to yours, love, hugs, and kisses.